In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clip art with Midjourney. Sell on Etsy the easiest way. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is simply the quickest way to find what we need without memorizing links. In the search box, type Midjourney and look for the official website. Click through to the Midjourney site so you can access the image generation tools. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your creations can be saved and downloaded in full quality. Once you're in, it's time to craft a clear, descriptive prompt. Good clip art prompts are specific about style, material, lighting, color, and background. For example, you might write, adorable 3D cartoon-style frog character clip art, glossy smooth plastic texture, soft studio lighting, vibrant colors, rounded shapes, cute expression, high detail but simple silhouette, perfect for t-shirt designs and stickers, isolated on transparent background, no shadows, no background, high resolution, style raw, AR11, no text, watermark. The point here is to describe the look and use case. Keep the silhouette simple, lock the aspect ratio to square for marketplaces, and ask for no text or watermarks. Even if the preview appears on a background, you'll refine that in editing. Click Submit and let Midjourney generate options. Give it a moment, then review your outputs and pick your favorite designs. If you see one that's close but not perfect, generate a variation to explore small changes in pose, expression, or color while keeping the same overall style. Next, download the images in the highest available resolution. PNG is ideal for clip art because it supports transparency. Save your files with clear names so you can find them easily later. Now head to Canva to edit and prepare your files for sale. Import your chosen image and, if needed, use background removal to isolate the character cleanly. Zoom in and tidy edges, tweak brightness and contrast to make colors pop, and ensure there are no shadows if your listing promises clean, flat clip art. Export as PNG with a transparent background and a consistent square size that matches your shop's standards. Finally, it's time to sell on Etsy. Create your listing, upload attractive previews, and write a concise title and description that include relevant keywords like 3D cartoon frog clip art PNG. Clearly state file size, resolution, and usage terms. Before selling, confirm your Midjourney plan permits commercial use and avoid trademarked or copyrighted characters. That's it. Generate, download, refine in Canva, and list on Etsy. Follow these steps, and you'll have polished, market-ready clip art fast.